Tired of staring at a blank Shopify page, dreaming of a stunning online store but lacking the design skills or budget? Well, get ready to unleash the power of AI, because today we're building a visually captivating Shopify store using the magic of Midjourney. First, let's head over to Midjourney. Think about your product, then craft a detailed prompt. The more specific you are, the better the result. For example, if you're selling shirts, type something like a minimalist white shirt mock-up on a clean background, then hit enter. Midjourney will then generate 4 variations based on your prompt. Use the U buttons to upscale your favorite, or the V buttons to create more variations of a specific image. Download the upscaled image and upload it to your Shopify product page. Bam! Professionally looking product visuals without a photo shoot. Now, let's spice up our marketing. Use Midjourney to create a catching banner ads. Try prompts like a vibrant banner ad for a summer sale, tropical theme, or a modern Instagram post promoting organic skincare. Experiment with different styles, colors, and compositions. Download your favorites and use them to create engaging social media campaigns to drive traffic to your store. Finally, Midjourney can revolutionize your website design. Need a captivating header image? Try an abstract watercolor painting for a website header, calming blue tones. The possibilities are endless. With Midjourney, you can create a visually stunning Shopify store that attracts customers and boosts sales. So, ditch the design stress and embrace the power of AI. Now go build something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered e-commerce tips. #Shopify Design #AIMERCH